With some content author communications, you can use variables to personalize content. To add a variable, select your content, then select Edit Content. From here, position the pointer where you want to add the variable. Next, go to the Variables card and choose the variable or variables you want to add. You can change the output format for some types of variables, such as dates. Select the variable to see the available output formats, then choose the format you want. When you're done, select Keep Changes. To get a better look at the communication, turn off the Content View option. The variables are populated with sample data in Content Author. They will be populated with actual customer data when the final customer communications are produced.